Joint pain is a widespread and common problem, affecting people of all ages and backgrounds. It can range from a minor annoyance to a debilitating condition that significantly impacts your quality of life. Whether it's a dull ache in your knees that lingers after a long walk, or a sharp stabbing pain in your fingers that makes everyday tasks a challenge. Our joints are the intricate hinges that let us move, bend, twist, and live life fully, and without restriction. They are essential for everything we do. But when those hinges get worn down, damaged, or inflamed, the consequences can be quite painful. Simple movement becomes a source of pain and frustration. Inflammation is often the primary culprit behind this discomfort. It's your body's natural defense mechanism, a response to injury or infection designed to protect and heal. But when inflammation becomes chronic, sticking around for extended periods, it can damage the cartilage, the smooth, protective tissue that cushions your bones within the joint. As that crucial cushion wears down and deteriorates, the bones within the joint begin to rub directly against each other, causing significant pain, stiffness that limits your range of motion, and noticeable swelling around the affected joint. This painful cycle can significantly disrupt your daily life, making even the simplest tasks a challenge. It can negatively affect your mood, making you feel irritable and down, disrupt your sleep patterns, leaving you feeling exhausted, and compromise your independence, forcing you to rely on others for assistance. But remember, joint pain isn't just a figment of your imagination. It's not all in your head. It's a real physical process with underlying causes that can be addressed. The good news is that there are various ways to effectively manage joint pain and improve your overall well-being. While modern medicine offers a range of treatments, including pain relievers and anti-inflammatory drugs, many people are increasingly turning to natural solutions and alternative therapies to complement their conventional medical care. They are seeking gentle, sustainable, and holistic ways to support their joint health and overall well-being. This search for natural relief often leads to the exploration of traditional remedies that have been used for centuries in various cultures. And one of the most promising and widely studied natural remedies for joint pain? It's a golden spice that you might already have sitting in your kitchen cabinet. Let's explore the potential of this ancient remedy and discover how it could help ease your joint pain naturally, and ultimately restore your freedom of movement, allowing you to live a more active and fulfilling life. Meet turmeric, the vibrant spice that gives curry its golden color. Used for thousands of years in South Asian cooking and traditional medicine, turmeric is more than just a flavor booster. Ancient healers used it to treat wounds, soothe sore throats, and most importantly, relieve joint pain. They saw firsthand how turmeric reduced swelling and brought relief. This wisdom was passed down through generations, long before science explained why it worked. Today, modern research is confirming what those healers knew. Turmeric has real potential for joint health. Let's look at what makes turmeric so powerful. The secret to turmeric's power is curcumin, its main active ingredient. Curcumin is a potent anti-inflammatory, targeting the same chronic inflammation that causes joint pain. It helps calm the body's inflammatory response, reducing swelling and tenderness. Curcumin is also a strong antioxidant, protecting your joint tissues from damage caused by free radicals. This dual action, fighting inflammation and oxidative stress, makes curcumin a standout for joint health. Unlike painkillers that just mask symptoms, curcumin addresses the root causes. So how can you add turmeric to your daily routine for the best results? One of the easiest and most comforting ways to enjoy the remarkable benefits of turmeric is by incorporating a daily golden milk drink into your routine. This ancient beverage is not only delicious, but also packed with health-boosting properties. To prepare it, begin by warming a cup of your preferred milk, whether it's dairy milk or a plant-based alternative like almond, soy, or oat milk, and then gently stir in about half a teaspoon of high-quality turmeric powder. Ensure it's well combined for a smooth consistency. Next, add just a pinch of black pepper. This seemingly small addition is crucial, as it significantly helps to boost curcumin absorption, the active compound in turmeric. For an extra layer of flavor and added health benefits, consider including cinnamon, ginger, which can also aid in digestion, or a teaspoon of coconut oil for a creamy texture and healthy fats. If you prefer a touch of sweetness, sweeten it with a little honey to your liking. Make incorporating this golden beverage a nightly ritual, It's a wonderful way to support your joints, promote restful sleep, and unwind after a long day. Remember, consistency is key. Integrating small daily habits like this can lead to significant and positive changes in how you feel overall. However, before you wholeheartedly start any new health routine, there's one more important thing to consider for your personal well-being. Exploring natural remedies, like the vibrant spice turmeric, can be a positive and proactive step toward managing joint pain and discomfort. It's about finding ways to support your body's natural healing processes. However, it's crucial to always check with your doctor or healthcare provider before adding any new supplements to your routine, especially if you are currently taking other medications or have underlying health conditions. This ensures there are no potential interactions. Remember, turmeric is most effective as part of a holistic approach, supporting your body with mindful choices every day, including a balanced diet and regular exercise. Swapping a sugary drink for a comforting cup of golden milk is a small but significant act of self-care that can contribute to a real and noticeable difference in how you feel over time. Listen closely to your body and pay attention to how you feel after incorporating these changes for a few weeks. Every positive step you take, no matter how seemingly small or insignificant, is a meaningful victory for your overall health and well-being. Here's to healthier, more comfortable joints, less pain and stiffness, and a brighter, more active and fulfilling life. One comforting golden sip at a time.